you the second order. And these came very, fairly quick. All right, so I did get this organization box thing. I don't know that I really needed this because I have like a ton of these with these little tiny boxes that I don't seem to use. I'm not sure why I went and grabbed this one. I was thinking from all the new things that I've been ordering, maybe just kind of organize it in that. So, I mean, similar to, I don't remember the brand of the other case, but they do open, and I think you get 30 little cases inside the big case. So we got that. I went with a couple of bigger things. This is supposed to be a pouch to hold the mini Cricut or mini press irons. So I'm going to check, make sure that fits in here nicely. And yeah, I guess you just kind of, pop the stuff in somehow. And then it looks like it comes with, like a wristlet to hold. And then it does come with some Velcro straps to keep everything. All right, next thing is this grid notebook. Sometimes with the notebooks I get confused because they show a nice pile of notebooks, so you think you're getting a few of them. This is just one though, and I did go with the grid. It has a clear frosted cover on it, which is cute because, we can go ahead and make that into anything we want. So I do like that. And let me just say, the pages are nice. They're a little bit thin, but still nice. And then the last thing, I got were these beads. Very similar to the first pack, but these have some like little glitter balls and a lot of pastels. I'm trying to get my beads. I de-stashed like everything, and we all do that, right? We de-stash, and then we have to rebuy. So anyway, I was able to pick 3 things. So that second order came to a total of $26, and then I was able to pick 3 free things, and according to Temu pricing, the free things totaled about $40. I don't know, but we'll see. And the free things were actually coming quicker than the order. So where is the third? Okay, so this is one of the free things. All right, so that comes off. Cap. And then this is going to, I guess, push it up. We slide it down like that. And you're supposed to, let's see, whoop, this way. It's supposed to be like an eyeshadow. I don't know if it's looking a little too, like, I don't know, orangey, bronzy for me. But maybe if you blend it in together, it doesn't look so bad. So we'll try it. We will try it for sure. So that was one of the free items. The other thing I picked were these clasps. Again, the dangles you want to have, so they're all, okay, so I guess you're getting the we know what they're called. Can't remember right now though. So you're getting these clasps, which are kind of like the lobster claw clasp, large necklace clasps. So they open nice, and then they have like the keyring circle attachment thing. And I think, I'm not sure how many we get. We probably get so many pieces, and it's one of each. So maybe we're getting 25, it looks like. Yeah, so it says 50 pieces. So we're getting 25 of these, 25 of those. I wanted to say jump rings, but they're not jump rings. They're like keychain circles. All right, and then the last thing I got, this was what was listed as the most, like saying $30. I don't know that it would have been. I looked them up on Amazon because once I saw these on there, I thought they were adorable, but they weren't. I don't know. The price wasn't coming down cheap enough, but then it let me go ahead and pick them as a free. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 10. Let's see how they work out. So you get 10, and they're like a clear gift bags. I just want to check like how sturdy they are. So they do open up, so you have some storage space in the bottom, right? So, and then they close together here, and they have the cute little handle. I mean, they seem sturdy enough for, let's see, that's going to be the part like, oh, is that going to rip off? But they seem sturdy enough to put a few bits of goodies in here. And then, right, like say I wanted to gift this notebook. That's kind of big. But say I wanted to gift the fake Lululemon, right? I can put that in there with some crinkle down the bottom. Maybe put a little dangle on the bag itself. Maybe put some vinyl on the bag to add some words or whatever. So, yeah, I kind of like them. And what did we say? We got 10 of them? Or we got 6 of them, too? My brain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these I think I'm definitely going to use, but I'll let, you know, well, I don't know if I'll let you know, but I might put like a post somewhere of me using them. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. So, wait, with the free stuff, I had to go back in for 3 days and claim the free item. So it wasn't like I placed this order and automatically these free items went through. And one of the things I had to, I don't know, it switched it up on me that said it was no longer available. And I forget what that was, but I know that was something I was disappointed I didn't get, but I don't remember what it, but I had to go in for 3 days. And each time I went in, they would ship out, you know, they would complete the order for the free item. So 2 of the things, these and the clasps, shipped separately, and then the eyeshadow did wind up in the actual order. So I think I may have figured it out. If that's the way it should be going, then, you know, I might do it again. But it looks like you don't get them until the 2nd, because you just get stuck in that, you know, game show of Temu where, you know, that wheel just spins and spins, and you get 3 gifts, 5 gifts, 8 gifts. You get $400 in coupons. Like, none of it makes sense, right? $10 no minimum spend. It doesn't work. But I was happy that I was able to get the free gift part to work out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.